अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज एजुकेशन रिलेटेड एमसीक्यूज़ के हवाले से आज तीसरी क्लास है और आज हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो हम फ़िलासफ़ी ऑफ एजुकेशन पे फोकस करेंगे। इसके हवाले से जो एमसीक्यूज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं वो मैं यहाँ पे सॉल्व करूँगा इस वीडियो के अंदर। ये बड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, बेसिक टॉपिक है एजुकेशन का, और आपको पीपीएससी, एफपीएससी, एसपीएससी या यूजीसी, एनटीएस या एजुकेटर्स की जो भी एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं उनकी तैयारी के लिए आपको ये बड़ा हेल्पफुल वीडियो होने वाली है। इससे पहले की जो मेरी वीडियोस हैं वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन के बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगी, आप वहाँ से उसको देख सकते हैं। आइए वक्त ज़ाय किए बगैर अपने वीडियो की तरफ चलते हैं और पेपर्स को सॉल्व करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 51, द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पैनलिज्म इन एजुकेशन मीन्स स्कूल करिकुला शुड फोकस ऑन व्हाट? Option A is important, everlasting, in demand, in need. पैनलिज्म जो है वो फोकस करना चाहिए बी ऑप्शन, एवरलास्टिंग थिंग के ऊपर। अकॉर्डिंग टू जॉन डेवी, चिल्ड्रन शुड एक्सपीरियंस डैश इन स्कूल्स टू मेक बेटर सिटीजन। विच थिंग आर रूल्स, डिसिप्लिन, डेमोक्रेसी, practical implementation? According to John Davy, should be implemented democracy. Yes. 53 question number. Progressivism believe that education comes from the experience of child. Option B is teacher, C is principal, D is society, and the right answer here is child. Next question. The idea of teaching the whole child in the philosophy of pragmatism in education means teaching students to be good. What? A learner, a thinker, a scientist, a citizen? The right answer here is citizen. Progressivism believes that children learn in a community, in a competition, in a isolation, in a closed environment. Progressivism believes that children should learn in a community. Yes, that is the right answer. Next, a normal human being has how many senses? Very simple question. The answer is 5. Which form of the following is not among the 5 senses? Vision, touch, smell, thought. Yes, option D is right. Thought. Next question. The application of ideas, knowledge and skills to achieve the desired result is called? Option A, problem solving, critical thinking, reasoning arguments, yeah, D, deductive method. Here the option A is correct, problem solving. The next question. According to Socrates of Meno, virtue is teachable, unteachable, C is reachable, D is unreachable. Socrates कहता था कि virtue जो है वो unteachable है. That is the right option. Question number next 60. The curriculum of educational institute should be based on theory, practical, practice. Yes, option C is right, theory and practice both. The next, the new curriculum should be introduced. Option A, B, C or D. Here is continuously, gradually, relatively, and the option is C is correct, gradually. Evaluation of the process of curriculum. Development should be made continuously. Yes, you are right. Curriculum revision should be an dash process. It is a continuous process. Yes. Next question. The term heuristic means dash in decision making. Option A is brainstorming, calculations, thoroughness, mental shortcuts. And the right option here is heuristic, mental shortcuts. Next question. Robert Sternberg is a famous psychologist, argued that creativity requires how many types of intelligence? 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, creativity has. That is the right answer. Next, according to Robert, the 3 different types of required intelligence for creativity are: option A, synthetic, analytical and practical; analytical, observational and practical. C option is analytical, critical and practical; and D option is abstract, synthetic, analytical. Here the right option is option A, synthetic, analytical and practical. A common technique to help people begin to create creative process. यहाँ पे begin जो है ये बुनियादी लफ्ज़ है, तो इसके लिए आप यूज़ जो करते हैं वो brainstorming करते हैं. तो that is the right answer. Next question. According to Plato, the highest goal of an education is knowledge of the science, mathematics, philosophy or good. Yes, Plato highest goal समझता था good knowledge को. Next, Plato argued that dash are fit to rule. Fit to rule, हुक्मरानी कौन करेगा? Educationists and philosophers. Option B, only educationists, only philosophers, and option D is only psychologists. And the right answer here is only philosophers should fit to rule. The book A Brief History of Time is written by option A, Aristotle; B, John Dewey; Robert Sternberg; Stephen Hawking. A Brief History of Time. Yes, the right option here is Stephen Hawking. The branch of philosophy focuses on the nature of reality. Connectionism, epistemology, metaphysics, pedagogy. Yes, that is the right answer is metaphysics. Next question. Idealism is a philosophical approach that argues that dash are the only true reality and the only thing worth knowing is idealism philosophy. That is option A, ideas; B, experiences, observations. The right answer here is ideas. Idealism ideas को promote करते हैं. Realism is a philosophical approach that argued that ultimate reality is the world of which thing? Option A, ideas, experiences; C option is observation; and the last one is physical object. And here is the right answer is physical objects, real objects इन्हें हम लोग कहते हैं. Who is called the father of both realism and scientific method? Is Aristotle, Plato, Socrates, Edward. The right option here is Aristotle, the father of realism and scientific method. Next question. The philosopher who is called the father of idealism. Idealism of father: Aristotle, Plato, Socrates, Edward. And idealism का जो father है वो है आपका Plato. Yes. The next question is the philosophers who for the first time taught logic as a formal discipline. Logic as a formal discipline. The philosopher name. Yes, the first one, the option Aristotle. Next question. The advocates of philosophy of pragmatism believe that reality is pragmatism. Reality is imagination. Yes, you are right. Here is the third option. Constantly changing. The next question, the psychologists who were the first time proposed the concept of connectionism. Who is? Robert Edward, Plato, Aristotle. And the right answer here is Edward. Next question, according to Edward, learning is about responding to option A, analysis, option B, change, option C is experiment, stimuli. Responding to stimuli, Edward कहता था. Next question, anything that causes a reaction is called, yes, stimulus. Next, the connection between stimulus and response is called stimulus response, bond, receiving accepting bond, and other two options here. The right first one is stimulus response bond. The dash, the stimulus response bond जिसे हम मुख्तसरन SR bond भी कहते हैं. The better person has learned the lesson. Stable, unstable, stronger, weaker. Yes, here is the option is stronger. How many laws of connectism? There are 3 laws. Okay, the next question, the 3 laws of connectism are the laws of, options are A, effective stimulus and response, B, stimulus response and exercise, readiness and response, and the last option is effect, exercise and readiness. And here is the right answer, the last one, effect, exercise and readiness. Our next question is, according to law of effect, if a stimulus result in a positive outcome, focus should we have on positive outcome. The SR bond is what will happen? Strengthened, weakened, stabilized, and unstabilized. The option should be the correct answer is strengthened. Next question is, according to law of effect, if a stimulus result in a negative outcome, now the outcome is negative, the SR bond is, yes, the option B is right, weakened. Next question, according to dash, the more you do something, you are at it, which is the more you do. Here are the options are law of effect, option B, law of exercise, law of readiness, or the fourth one. Yes, the law of exercise is the right answer. Next question, according to dash, SR bond are stronger if an individual is ready to learn. Law of effect, law of exercise, law of readiness. Yes, is ready to learn की बात हो रही है, तो यहाँ पे law of readiness इसका correct answer होगा. The next question, the dash says we are motivated to gain rewards and avoid punishments. Who says? Law of effect, law of exercise, law of readiness, or law of connectionism. Here is the right option. Law of effect, reward and punishment. The next question, the law of effect can be effectively used where? Option A, accelerate learning. B option is curriculum development, classroom management, teaching method. Law of effect can be effectively used. Yes, here is the right option in classroom management. Now we move on. The next question: for an effective teaching, the teacher must be a subject matter expert. That includes option 1 is command over the subject. Second one is the ability to convey knowledge. Third one is the ability to apply ideas from one discipline to another. So now the options are given. 4 options are 1 only, 2 only, 1 and second only, or 1, 3, 2 and 3. And the right answer here is all threes. Next question: the citation of technique. Citation technique of classroom management is a technique where instead of punishing negative behavior, the teacher might decide to actually what? Encourage, discourage, ignore, divert. Citation के अंदर जो नेगेटिव बिहेवियर है उसको मज़ीद इंकरेज किया जाता है. Here the right answer is encourage. The next question: the extinction technique of classroom management is a technique where teacher dash any negative behavior. Extinction के अंदर हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं. क्या करते हैं जी? इग्नोर. Next question: the use of physical punishment for a classroom management. Use of physical punishment. Very simple question. Here is there are some techniques names, and the right answer here is corporal punishment. The next question: the technique of classroom management where the teacher punish negative behavior by removing an unruly student from the rest of the class. जिसमें अनरूली स्टूडेंट को क्लास से बाहर भेजा जाता है नेगेटिव बिहेवियर रिमूव करने के लिए. इसको हम कहते हैं एक्सटिंक्शन, सैटिटेशन, टाइम आउट टेक्निक या कार्पोरल. यस, द राइट ऑप्शन हियर इज द थर्ड वन, टाइम आउट टेक्निक. नाउ वी मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Here is the next: the study of physical, social and mental aspect of aging is called. Here is the right answer, the third one, gerontology. As people gets older, the ability of applying or maintain an intention. The ability of applying or maintain intention increase. Option B is decrease. C is stay constant. D option is remain unaffected as people grow older. So here the is simple. The right answer is B, decreases. The brain dash as people gets older. Brain उम्र बढ़ने के साथ क्या होता है? श्रिंक होता है, एक्सपैंड होता है, कांस्टेंट रहता है. तो राइट ऑप्शन इज shrink होता है. There is dash is in working memory as people gets older. There is upgradation. No. Degradation. Yes. The right option here is degradation. Today's last question is: according to philosophy of idealism in education, the subject matter of curriculum should be. फिलॉसफी ऑफ आइडियलिज्म की बात कर रहे हैं. मैथमेटिक्स, साइंस, फिजिकल वर्ल्ड, माइंड. आइडियलिज्म आइडियाज़ के ऊपर फोकस करती है और आइडियाज़ का ताल्लुक माइंड से होता है. देयरफॉर द राइट आंसर हियर इज माइंड. ओके डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज का हमारा टॉपिक ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हुआ. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट जल्दी वीडियो के साथ हाज़िर होऊंगा. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दें.